By 10:30 a.m., most of the 16 provisioning trucks have arrived. But with lunchtime approaching, Massimo is growing concerned. One truck hasn't shown up, and its goods will be needed in the next hour.
Okay, but did we receive already the truck?
It's done.
Some of the items are important ingredients for the lunchtime. So there are some category of food that absolutely must come when the ship arrives.
If Massimo can't locate the missing truck in a hurry, the first meal of this cruise might be a bust. Massimo is on the hunt for the missing truck.
I'm looking for actual fruit and vegetables because today the truck arrived too late. I mean, we got just one. Beato, unde e altro camion? Cât camion ai aici, tine?
Două camioane au venit, una la și una la cealaltă navă.
He's saying that he came with two trucks, okay? One, it was for us, another one, it's for the other ship that is coming tomorrow. So I believe that there is a mistake.
Even if the truck is found right away, the galley will have barely enough time to wash, cut, and serve the missing fruits and vegetables.
Cosa c'hai tu qua? C'hai un bancale solo? Maybe there are a lot of traffic, too many trucks, and so they decide to send him here. Ah, forse questo?
Massimo finally finds the truck.
Now we need to find the driver. Sei tu? Mi fai vedere le fatture per piacere? Grazie. It's like a treasure. Ma te lo dico, te lo scrivo anche che ti stavo cercando.
Jackpot.
Perfetto. I find it what I'm looking for, which is all my fruit and vegetables that I need as soon as possible to get in.
Over the next 6 hours, the guests fuel up